Hey guys, so I'm playing mm2. Let's go outside. Oh, there's already the sheriff. That scared me. I'm not the thing, right? She's literally. Oh, yeah.
Anong jeep ang narida? Para kang tanay pa ba? Kuya? Kuya?
Let's see. Up. I'm killing her. Oh, someone. Oh. Yeah, she shoot her. Somebody already has 100 kills. Let's see how many. Let's see. I'm here. I have 99 kills. Let's see. Tomorrow I'm not going to be active because we're going somewhere, and I'll do a mini vlog for it. Oh, she's a Delia. I don't know how to pronounce that. Log cabin. Let's go. Oh no, they already picked here. Let's just go to dance mode. So cute. Okay, I hope I'll just be the sheriff or murderer. Oh no, I'm innocent. Well, can someone just please be sheriff so I'm get killed and so I will be the hero? Bros, why everybody has to wait? Let's go hide it. Let's go hide. Jeez. Oh no, oh. I bet she is using X-ray or footsteps. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's find some dead bodies. Uh, I'm kind of scared because what if I get killed? Okay, let's just hide. Oh no, maybe we do not hide. Someone is the murderer here. Is my friend a murderer? Up. Why is he scratching me? Get up. I where? I'm just going to eat a cake. Eat a cake? What's everyone laughing? It's a girl. Someone is hiding from the bed. But I'm not the murderer, guys. Oh, double kill. I bet it's this girl, yeah. Oh no, it has a fire. So I bet this girl, that girl. Let's see if I'm correct. Okay, can someone just please who's the sheriff? Okay. There's... Okay. Stop coming. Oh, do you hear that? Who's the murderer? Yeah. Oh. She's a camping camper. Camper. She's a camper. Camper. How did he? How did she get a snow dog? Like, this is a full video, and it's have been already in 5 minutes. Like, what? Who has a Santa dog? That is so cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. Mm. 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 I will be the sheriff in 3, 2, 1. No, I'm not.
You want? McDonald's? Oh, we eat. You want?
Up, 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 up.
We go to McDonald's, dala. Ate, wala na want this. The toys in McDonald's.
Oh. Okay, let's see.
We go to
Who's the
McDonald's if we have time.
What? Oh my god, disconnected, guys.
Ate.
I'm out.